All right, I'd like to dedicate the next song to the memory of the late, great Lemmy Kilmister.
Yay!
So I guess you know who Lemmy was then, right? And if you don't, there's the door. Come on, man, you know the fucking shit, man. You know that Anvil and Motorhead go back to the very earliest days of metal. And in fact, the very first show we ever did as Anvil after we changed our name from we opened for the mighty Motorhead in Toronto, Canada, where we come from. The most difficult part of that fucking show was watching Lemmy watching me.
Lemmy loves you!
I get off stage, I go, Lemmy, what'd you think of Anvil? He goes, well, you guys are pretty good, but you've got too many hard parts. What, hard parts? What's he talking about? What's in my pants or in my music? It turned out it was the music because a year and a half, 2 years later, he asked us to come out on tour once they changed their guitar player to Brian Robertson for another perfect day. How fucking cool is that? We went to the UK and played, must have been about 35, 40 fucking shows. Absolutely incredible. We didn't get a fucking night off till about fucking 15 to 20 dates in. So it's like, holy shit, man, and these guys don't fucking sleep. Holy Christ, and I found out real quick what no sleep till Hammersmith really meant. We finally get a night off in Birmingham, and I make my way up to Lemmy's hotel room, and there he is, sitting there with a 40-ounce bottle of vodka and a 60-ounce bottle of orange juice, and he starts mixing drinks, and he looks at me with his green lizard eyes, and he goes, this is called vodka. Okay, it's called vodka, and I start drinking the vodka and orange, and I get pissed. I mean, whale piss drunk. And Lemmy is cracking up. He's going, look at your lips. You're under the table. Under the table? I'm licking the fucking floor, man. He goes, I've got just a solution. And he pulls this little black leather pouch out of his jean jacket and a pocket knife. He takes the pocket knife, sticks it into the leather pouch, and out comes this white powder. He takes the knife, he puts it under my nose, and he goes, sniff it, you cunt! What the fuck, you gonna say no to that? And so it's like, holy fuck, man, pure amphetamine speed, man. And I'm sitting there vibrating worse than my fucking dildo, man, no shit. And then you start talking, and talking, and talking, worse than I am now, let me tell you, holy shit. We must have discussed just about everything from his days when he used to roadie for Jimi Hendrix to fucking everything, man. You couldn't imagine the shit that we talk about. Don't ever get married. Why? I mean, because if you're not home, a woman needs a shoulder to lean on. And if yours isn't there, she'll find someone else's. He was right, because by the time I came home from that tour, my wife found someone else. Oh my God, I fucking get too fucking personal when I get up here, I'll tell you. And absolutely incredible. Before we know it, of course, we've been talking and talking. There's a knock at the door, and it's the tour manager, and he's going, what the fuck you guys doing, man? It's time to go to the gig. What do you mean it's time to go to the gig? We got a night off. He goes, you did have a night off. You guys have been sitting here for 24 hours. That's what you call no sleep till Hammersmith, man. Holy shit. This goes out to all the Lemmy lovers and metalheads alike. This is called Free as the Wind.